Hey there, today we're going to look at how to post on Patreon. So let's get started. First, open your Patreon account and make sure your page is already set up. Over here, tap on Create in the bottom left corner. Then choose the type of post you want to make. It could be a text, video, image, audio, or even a live stream. After that, select Post, then enter your title and write your content. You can also add media to your post if needed. Over here, you can create a collection to group post by topic. Then, if you want, enable sell access to this collection and set a price. Then click Next, and now you can choose who sees this post. Over here, you can set it to public, all members, paid members, free members, or specific tiers. After selecting the right audience, click Publish to make your post live. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next